Introducing Programa into the studio's practice really just streamlined a lot of processes within the studio, which has been invaluable.
The client doesn't necessarily have that literacy or awareness of the design process, and the sort of traffic light system that Programa has is very useful. You know, if we're even communicating in the studio and someone's written a specification down, I don't know how fixed that is. I don't know if that's kind of authoritative or what it might be. So having a system that really identifies and differentiates between what you've got signed off and tracking that, and that works in a kind of quite clear and visual way, and is set up in that way to make you kind of succeed, rather than just writing out a list and people thinking that that's set.
That's what we're trying to do with Programa, is basically alleviate all of that administrative burden, the stuff that sucks the life out of your living creative soul, so that you have more of that time and headspace to focus on where you are delivering the most value for your clients.
Of course it alleviates more time for design, but it's also peace of mind to be able to go onto one platform and just feel like your project's in order. It's such a relief. So just to kind of have it all there under one umbrella, and I just find it really just sort of satisfying. It just gives me a sort of sense of calmness.
Yeah, I
in
get
the
it.
badness.